Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Just Here and There. For those who don't know me yet, I am Ronald. I am located in Lippstadt, Germany and I make travel videos mostly. After seeing the biggest cuckoo clock in Freiburg, Germany, I am heading towards House of 1000 Clocks in the same city, Freiburg. This house has probably the largest selection of Black Forest cuckoo clocks in the region. Below the Freiburg waterfalls, an animated family of bears on the facade lures visitors into the House of 1000 Clocks, a lovely shop on the main street of Freiburg. I had a fantastic shopping experience here. The store had many staff who could speak various languages, especially English, and this handsome gentleman welcomed us. The collection of clocks here is massive. Most of them are traditional Black Forest cuckoo clocks. There are also modern ones like battery operated ones. It is believed that during the 18th century, farmers in the southwestern Germany started making cuckoo clocks using the logs from the Black Forest. This is widely believed to the time and the place of the birth of cuckoo clocks. The meticulous thought and craftsmanship that goes into making a cuckoo clock should be considered art. The more intricate and involved the design, the more expensive the clock is. The price can go even more than 2000 euros. Cuckoo clocks are intricately designed and handcrafted by German master carvers that preserve the same methods of craftsmanship used in the old days. If you want the one that is authentic, make sure the cuckoo clock has the seal of VDS Black Forest. This means it has the same type of mechanics and components used in the cuckoo clocks of 300 years ago. Traditional Black Forest cuckoo clocks comes with the 8-day movement and 1-day movement. It is completely mechanical. Clocks with the 8-day movement are usually more expensive than a clocks with 1-day movement. 1-day cuckoo clock requires winding once per day, where a 8-day cuckoo clock runs approximately 1 week on a single winding. I bought this simple 24-hour movement traditional Black Forest cuckoo clock. This itself costed 350 euro. Now you can imagine 8-day movement cuckoo clock with animations, how expensive will be. Cuckoo clock run without electricity or battery. They are mechanical clocks. They harness gravity using the set of weights to ensure the clock runs perfectly. This clock works as these weights drop over the day and the pendulum moves back and forth, allowing the clock hands to move. And these parts connect to the internal mechanism which works together to produce smooth running clock. After 24 hours, these weights will drop down completely. To reset, you just have to pull the string down so that the weight goes up. This means you have tiny little work every day if you buy a mechanical clock. Cuckoo clocks are loved by people all over the world, but they hold a special place in German history. For the next few minutes, I will show you some traditional Black Forest cuckoo clocks. I hope you like it, so stay tuned and please watch this video till the end. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe and share.
Also die erste Woche war schlimm, aber danach nicht.